everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have like a ghost here. It's actually, my window is open and the cool air is coming in because it's nighttime and we're going to be getting rain. So, you know, it's doing that cool air thing. So, hope it doesn't creep you out, but this is the Graveyard Project pan. So, you know, if there's ghosts and creepy things running amok in my area, that's just par for the course, right? All right, let's get into this project. This is the Graveyard Project pan. This is the 2.0. I really wanted to do this last year, but I was unable to do it. I had to jump on it this year. Even though this is not my best panning year, I'm just gonna go with it. I really wanted to do this project, so I jumped in. This started on April 30th, and it goes all the way to, appropriately, Halloween, and it is created by, or it was created by Emily, who is Emily and Max here on YouTube and on Instagram. I'm going to have her link down below. I do believe she has a playlist for this, and if you want to join in, by all means join in. Just let her know that you're joining in so that she can add you on to her little spreadsheet playlist thingy that she's got going on there. All right, so basically I am going to try to remember exactly how the categories go. Let me check down here, right down here. This is 5 to 10 products. It is rolling, and there are 2 categories of products. Resurrection, which is primarily what I have. Those are products that are from your project panning graveyard, where if you have a product, speak Jessica, if you have a product that was in a previous panning project and you were unable to finish it, you are resurrecting it from said panning project and working on it to meet your goal or to finish it, whatever it is that you choose to do with that product. And the other one is collecting cobwebs. Feel the creepiness of all of this. Those are products that are close to expiration date. You've had them a long time, they've been neglected, and you just need to, you know, pull them out, dust off the cobwebs, and get to using them because, you know, that's what you gotta do. All right, I do have 2 products that are definitely, well, all of my 5 that are in are definitely resurrection products, but 3 of those resurrection could also be considered cobwebs. So, or collecting cobwebs. I will eventually get this right. Yeah, by Halloween I might have this right. I did not do the greatest in this past month. This is like a running theme with me this year. I was doing good. First 2 months I was doing really good, and then, you know, I got derailed. But we're good-natured about it. It's okay. I'm going to show you the products that I really didn't use in this past month, and then I'll show you the one that I have been using every time I wear makeup. All right, the first one is the Color Max Photochromatic Pressed Powder. This is in the color beige. It looks like this. It looked like this in the intro. This is kind of my summer color. It was my summer color. I don't know if you can tell. I've been out in the sun a lot. A whole lot. I actually have a little bit of sunburn. It was not on purpose. I was planting my garden and I should have stopped and I should have put some sunscreen on, but I just wanted to get it done. And so now I have all this color that I wasn't planning on having at this point. So this may be getting used, if I could speak, much sooner than I initially anticipated. So we will definitely get to that as soon as we possibly can. This next one is the Jessica Nails Quick Dry 60-second drying drops. I had no need to use this. The polishes that I have used in the past month really didn't need a quick dry, especially like this one is super quick drying. The blue I always use with the Rapid Dry from OPI on top of it. I just haven't needed it. But I'm going to try to use some of my polishes that do need like a quick dryer because they just don't quite dry the way I like for them to. I'm going to try and work on that this month because there are some products that I want to bring in, like I want to roll in on the next update. So I'm really going to try to focus on getting 1 or 2 products out this month. All right, the next one is, this is a Cobweb / Resurrection. This is a brown gel liner from the Sephora Colorista palette, the 2011. Sephora Colorist palette. So I have not touched this at all. I am just about done with another eyeliner that I'm working on, and as soon as that one is done, I'm going to start working on this gel liner. So hopefully I can get that done. If you hear that little like bell kind of sound, it's my iPad, my like ancient iPad over here, and my girls are texting me, and well, they're chatty. Next one is also a Resurrection / Cobweb, and that is the e.l.f. blush in Peachy Keen. I have not used this at all because I just haven't put it in my basket. I really need to, and hopefully I'll remember to do it for next week's basket. All right, the last one. This is one I have been using quite a bit. This one is just a Resurrection, if I can actually open it. This is the Ulta finishing powder in light to medium, and as you can see, it looks a little bit different. I had pan on it, and I have been using it, and it just kept getting wider and wider pan. Could not get an even application onto my brush. And look, you can see I just repressed it on I just did a repressing video. It did not even fill the pan. It is slightly higher in the center, but honestly, I think this is going to be gone by the next update. If it is not completely gone, there's going to be like the tiniest speck left in here, and I think it's going to be done. If I wear makeup like I'm supposed to on a regular basis, that will be done. If I am a slacker, like I have been the past couple of months, it might not be done. So I really am hoping that I can get this done, and the Jessica Nails Quick Dry. Those are my two that I want to get done so that I can roll in some new products, because I do have some products waiting in the wings, so to speak. I have a drawer that I put products in that I really want to work on this year, and if I am working on a rolling project or if there's a new project coming up, I always go to that drawer first for my products, because, you know, I try to fit those in first, and then if I can't fit them in, then I work around with other stuff. But I don't know if I'm the only one that does that. Maybe I'm just kind of a weirdo. Okay, we know I'm a weirdo, but I'm okay with that. Team weird. Anyone seen Spies in Disguise? I'm team weird. All right. Yeah, that is everything. I am going to, like I said, put Emily down there, her link anyway, to her YouTube channel. And again, if you want to join in, just let her know so that she can put you on the list. And I think that's pretty much everything. I'm going to wrap this bad boy up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you in my next video, have a beautiful day.